Come test drive the 2015 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, fog lights, dual power mirrors, Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, dual airbags, power seat. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.